The Alexander of fate. Of all his conquests, Alexander the Great was most proud. His armies had reached the very edges of the known world. One day, a wise minister led him to a cave where a dervish sat in silence. "I have conquered the world," Alexander declared. "What do you have that I do not?" The dervish said nothing. He simply lit a small lamp and handed it to the emperor. "Carry this back to your palace without letting the wind extinguish it." Confident, Alexander took the lamp. But on the path, a sudden gust blew out the flame. He returned, humbled. He who could topple empires could not command a breeze to spare a single flame. The dervish gently relit the lamp with a touch. "Your spear can shake mountains," he said, "but it cannot control fate. True power is not ruling the world, but knowing the limits of your own." Alexander left a changed man. He had learned that the greatest victory is not over others, but over one's own pride. A conquest that no wind can ever take away.